Hello and welcome. Tomorrow is Grayson Huynh, who wrote Portal last year, as one of the case authors, so I'm going to play Portal tonight. And four other people have just joined me, which I love it. I literally just posted, hey, I'm going to play this game in 5 minutes, and here they all are. Amazing. Anyway, all right. So I remember the basic setup for Portal. We've got all these 64 different areas. Oh, what's going on? Here we are. With stuff on them. So the first thing I'm going to do is vstack this whole setup here out as far as, and just grab out to 4 and then type in 6 there because I know there are 64 areas. It said that in the video. And then we'll, I guess, flatten that. And then I guess I want to call of, what do I want? If sequence 64, then sequence comma 16. Yes. Yeah, so that's the rows, and then I also want the opposite, I guess, which will give me the which will give me the area numbers. Yes. Okay. So this is the row, this is the area, and this is the grids. Okay. Let's dive on in. How many portals are there in this area? So I guess I want to say filter grid where area equals that. And actually, let's just vstack all of this stuff equals O, and then put a minus minus on that. And just visually, I'm gonna format comma 0 decimals to make it easier to see my portals. Okay, so now I can just sum this. Yep. And oops, back over here, not bonus questions, level 1. Good. Next, how many portals are in these 3 areas combined? Okay, so that's pretty simple. We're going to filter gr where is number x match ar against this. And again, we just need to sum that. Nah. Sorry, that's level 1. That's done. So put that there. Good. Okay, the portals can appear in odd or even numbered rows across the areas. How many portals appear in an odd, even row? Okay, so this is going to be if this equals even, then is even, otherwise is odd of, I guess, plus row, did I call it RW? Yes. So that times is number x match area against this. And then I want to filter gr on all that stuff and sum again. Good. Okay, level 4. Which area has a portal in this address? Okay. So I think what I want to do is area and how do I want to do this? Oh, I know what I want to do. I know what I want to do. I want to go to rcref. Oh, sorry, I got to import my lambdas. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Okay. To rcref of that. And then I want a sequence of 64 things starting at that. Sorry, one more comma, starting at that in steps of 16 times my row separator. That'll give me 64 addresses, and then I want to ref those on grid. That'll give me my 64 things, and then I want to x match 1 against that, and then add the word area. Yes. You don't like that? Why not? Interesting. They all don't work. That's interesting indeed. That seems odd, to say the least. 2R0 with that, which gives me what? 913, okay, and then this gives me 79, 82, wait, 790, 806, 822, yeah, that looks right. And then I 2ref that on grid. Pretty confused. So let's just see, what does this give me? Just come out here where I have a little more space. Ah, okay, I'm missing an at in here somewhere. Bloody, oh yeah, I bet it's that. There we go. All right. And that's why it worked for the example, because the example just happened to be in the very first area. Okay. All right, so then I think we're good. And we are. Okay, level 5. Based on your starting position in an area, what is the minimum number of steps taken to get to the closest portal? Usually 1 step down. Okay, so I want to map RC, filter grid where area equals this. Actually, wait, no, I want dist from, don't I? Yeah, I think I want dist from. So that's the map. I don't know for sure that this will work with an array and not a range, but let's try. The target is 1 and the function is sum of steps. And then I want to ref of this on that. Do I need to give it a map actual? Might do. Okay. So whatever, map actual is grid. Yes. Okay. That's good. Okay. Next. Level 6, we're given area and position. What is the address of the closest portal? Okay, so we're going to filter gr where AR equals that. That gives us that. Then I want to map RC that yes to by column, because we want to sort by column first and then by row. Start address text is this. Distance function is max. I think that's it. Yeah, I don't care about headers. Doesn't like that. That's interesting. Why not? Let's see. SMP, yeah, that looks fine. By call address. Right, it's row and call. Okay. So, but why am I doing address of row MP call MP4 instead of just addresses of MP? So I guess that's the first thing is, can I say addresses of filter gr where AR equals, let's not do 1, let's do a different one. No, it doesn't like that. Okay. In that case, let's do if error. Sorry. Let's just, I'm making a one-off change. So let's just do sequence of rows of MP, sequence, comma, columns of MP. You still don't like that, okay. 85, MP, not equal to lines in A2, by call, yeah, fine. And then it started, oh, okay, there's row MP again. Okay, so I think for this one I can say row column of MP. I'm not 100% sure of that. I'll figure it out, I guess. Right, try going from there. Still a calc error. Empty array. Interesting. What am I filtering? Oh, filters. Oh, I don't know. This is taking too long and not being sensible, so let's just do something else. So let's just first do row column num of the first grid. So let's lock this. RC be that. And then, what am I trying to say? I'm interested in the closest to the current position, so yeah. I guess portal RCs will be to call ifs filter grid where area is equal to the current area. Ifs that, then RC to call with 3 and give me port RC. Good. So then I want dist can be dist between 2 RC ref of that position and that. And show me dist. Good. So then I want to sort by, and I want to sort port RC first by distance in ascending order, and then my secondary sort is to sort by column number, so say to call of RC, sorry, of port RC in ascending order again, and then by to row of port RC, also in ascending order. And then I'm interested in the first element of that, and I want to convert it to an address. Well, that took a while, but I think it worked. Oh man, Ben's ahead of me. Gotta catch up. Okay, going through each portal, what is the minimum number of steps to get to the last area? So start here in this position. Okay, so we're going to want to reduce with something very much like this. Okay, so that RC will stay the same. Then I want to reduce to RC ref of this through this sequence. And what is the question? Number of steps to get to, okay, fine. So then lambda AV. Okay, so then where area is equal to V, dist between A and port RC, and then don't do the to add part. And sorry, make this a scan. Oh, and I'm going to take a trick from Bo and put this in here because I want that in the output as well. Okay, so that is my scan. What function have I given? Huh? Oh, sorry, I'm missing a let. So let, all that stuff. That looks good. So then I want, that's my list of locations, and then I want the dist between drop, lock, last column, and drop, locks, first column. And that sums to 18, damn it. Oh, wait. Sorry, we don't actually care about the last portal, do we? It's just to get to the last area. So we're not interested in that one. That gets our 14. Sum of that. Okay. Yeah. Ah, no. Bugger. Did not mean to put that in level 6. I wanted my level 6 answers in level 6. I really want these to close down when you've got the answers right. But anyway, okay, bonuses. Let's come up here. Which area has the most portals? Okay. I think I can group by. The row fields will be area, and the column fields will be by row grid sum. And then I want sum, and then I want 0, 0, -2, and then just area and that. No, you didn't like that. Oh, sorry, area and at that. There we go. Area 19 is my answer. Okay, which area appeared most across all the levels excluding the examples? So say most of VStack. This. Yeah, that. That. Yeah. No areas there. There is areas here. Areas here. And areas here. And I want the one that appeared the most, and I also want to put the word area in front of it. Okay, area 11. Across all the games in level 7, how many areas have you been in that contain the number 6? Okay. Count ifs, I think I can do it this way. This star, 6 star. No, you don't like that. All right, let's instead say sum minus minus is number, search 6 in that. Oops, nope. Okay, at least it didn't let me overwrite that. Take the sum of the row number for all the portals in each area. Which area has the highest total figure? Sum of the row number for all the oh, gotcha. So then it's like this, but we're going to multiply this by row. I think it's just that. Okay, and which area doesn't have any portals in columns 8K? Okay, so columns 8K is the first, 11 columns. Okay, so I think I want to take this. Then I want to take 11 columns from here, and I want to sort in the other direction. And that's it. All right, I have serious doubts this will be any help at all in preparing for tomorrow, because the whole idea of this case is, you know, the kind of multi-sheet thing is very idiosyncratic. I have no expectation that Grayson's next case will look anything like that, but I don't care. It's a fun case, and I played it live last year, and I think I screwed up something in recording my video, so I never got around to posting a video on it. So here it is. If you're playing tomorrow or today, because the first round is only a few hours away, then good luck, and I'll see you next time.